G'day, this is Shaun Collins at SCCE Compound and this is my bike check. Here's some Vans grips that I rock on my bars. Got myself a nice Tektro carbon lever which has good feel. Got some awesome Supercross bars which I custom painted in yellow. Also I'm running a, you can't see at the moment because it's covered by my Troy Lee Designs pad, but I'm running a Supercross top load stem. That's attached to, also holding that is a Speedline headset onto Supercross SLT forks, which are awesome and nice and stiff. Got myself some profile mini hubs which have been custom painted by myself blue just to match the frame, and some volcano washers. Also some Sun Envy rims which are nice and light and chrome, which is a bit of an old school feel, and a nice cool little Red Bull valve cover there that I made myself. Running a Supercross Bolt LT Cruiser XL frame. Gotta love the chromo, it's got a really good feel in it, especially in the corners. Running a Supercross pivotal seat, and attached to that is a Supercross pole. Running some cool old 180 profile cranks with an old school profile chain ring. A cool chain which has been on there for about a year, still going strong. Some cool Speedline brakes which I just got for my birthday, and rocking the rear cassette which is also profile and being custom painted with the volcano washers and a profile chain tensioner which adds to the blue color scheme, and rear Envy hub running a intense tire for a bit more grip out of the gate and in the corners, and fun pedals. I reckon my tongue's hanging out though. I can't stop.